Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Makeover. Hope you're all doing well. So today's video is about my top 4 face washes. Now I'm a very freaking type of person. Like I keep on changing face washes. If one I try I like to try new face washes, and if it doesn't suit me, then I again switch on to some other face washes. So before starting with the video, I would like to tell you that my skin is oily skin type, and it's towards an acne prone skin. So I really get breakouts, and that's the most irritating part because I can't do makeup. If I do makeup the next day, I just you know get breakouts all over my face and active acne and all sorts of things. But I have to take care of my skin also, because though I'm a blogger and I love fashion and makeup, so I have to do makeup and all those stuff, so I have to take care of my skin also. So yes, today I'll be sharing my top 4 favorite face washes which I'm currently using right now. So I'll be starting with this face wash. This is the Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Neem Purifying Face Wash. Now as you can see, I have finished uh, half, and yeah, not half, also more than half. I finished the bottle, and this face wash is great for oily skin type. Like it's so refreshing, it will not dry up your skin, and after using it on a regular basis, you will see a difference on your skin. Now I love it. I usually use it at morning, because what happened, like at the end of the day, after going to office and so much of work pressure, I need a heavy face wash or a scrubber or a face wash which have no mild granules in it. So I usually use it on morning, because morning is something you need a refreshing face wash, which is this one. I just love this face wash, and this retails for 240. You will easily get a discount on Flipkart or Nykaa, but I got this from a local shop. So it's I've been using it for, I think, 1 month, sorry, 1 year. Because yeah, and you need a very little, just one pump is enough. It lathers up so much, so nicely. So one pump is enough. Okay, so coming down to the next, this is also a tea tree cleanser. This is a very mild cleanser. It's in a gel form, and this is from the brand Oriflame Love Nature Cleansing Gel Purifying Oily Skin Tea Tree. So this face wash also, you'll not be able to see, but I have only this much left, and this is also I'm using for about quite a month, like 6 to 7 months I'm using, and I'm in love with this. It's so refreshing, and the moment I use this now, it simply I feel that my acne are suppressed, and it gives me a feeling that I am not getting acne anymore. So whenever I get severe acne or breakouts, then I jump to this product. I use this product because that when I get severe acne, I think that after using this product, my acne gets suppressed and I feel a great relief. This is on a gel consistency, and this retails for I can't see the price. Wait. Yeah, it retails for 369. So I have got this from an agent, Oriflame agent, and you'll get an online also, and in local shops also. Now you'll get Oriflame products, so you can go and check it out. So the next face wash, this is a very well-known brand. This is a Wow Apple Cider face wash. This is great because it has a built-in brush in it which acts as a mild scrubber, and it is great for after a hard working day when you need to scrub off your face and remove all your dead skin cells. So you need this scrubber, and I'm just love with this scrubber because every time, every day, you can't use a scrubber, right? So this silicone brush acts as a scrubber, and I'm just love with this product. This is so mild. It does not affect your skin or irritate your skin, and I have oily skin, acne prone skin, but I didn't get any negative issues to against this product. So I'll give a thumbs up. So do use this product, and this retails for, I think the price is not written here, so the price is not written here. I think it's a in between 500 only, but still, and you can get this on Nykaa, Flipkart, purple also I think they're providing, yeah. So you, sorry, burp. So purple also. So I'll be linking down everything on the description box, so you can go and check it out. So yeah, this one. Last but not the least, because I said before also I keep changing product. So this is from the brand Kaya. This is the brightening beads cleanser, and this is a very good cleanser. Why? Because it has soft granules, scrubbing granules. If in regular basis also use, then you will not get breakouts, okay, because your skin will not get irritated. I'm using it because after a long working day, when you need a good mild face wash and a scrubber, but you can't use a separate scrubber, so this face wash is that moment, for that moment you need this face wash. So this is the Kaya White Luminous Brightening Bead Cleanser with AHA, vitamin B3 and E for all skin types. And it says, it claims that 2 shades lighter skin tone in just 4 weeks, but I didn't see any difference in my shade, so I can't tell. I can't guarantee you that it gets lighter, but yeah, it's good. I can say after using this product, you feel your skin feels very refreshed, very calm, and very smooth. So I just love this product for that. And it retails for 380, and I think this I got from Nykaa, and I'm using for past 4 months, and I have used a lot. You can't able, because this is totally hawa hai, so I have used a lot. I think I have little bit left, because now also I have to do like this. I have to get out the product. So yeah, so yes, these were my 4 favorite till now face washes. So yeah, hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please give a like and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. And if you want to see more videos like this, please write in the comment section below. Till then, bye, see you in my next video.